Hello, this is Ray again here at ALA 2010 in Boston, sunny old Boston that is, here with John Delavan, Editor-in-Chief, ALA's flagship production magazine, Legal Management. Thank you so much for stopping by, John.
Thank you, Ray.
Could you tell us a little bit about the magazine?
Sure. I'm the editor-in-chief of Legal Management, our flagship educational magazine that talks about any matters of interest to our members who are principally in private law firms and run the business of the firm. Everything from technology-related issues to human resources, finance, marketing, and general facilities and operations management. And so our publication is a bi-monthly magazine that focuses on the hottest topics that our members need to know about, and often we try to be ahead of the curve because often they don't know what they don't know. And so our charge is to remind them of staying ahead of the curve, especially in light of recent economic times, how firm operations can become more efficient and improved. And part of our work with business partners such as WorldOx is to show how they support what our members need to do in their firms.
Absolutely, that's great. You know, a lot of times I read some of the magazines that are out there now will focus on one subject, either just back office, perhaps just technology. So this is a nice blend.
Absolutely. We do issues thematically. For instance, we typically do an issue in July that focuses principally on technology and related trends. But we always incorporate other facets of the business because 2/3 of our membership are principal administrators, executive directors, chief operating officers, the key decision makers about business operations in the legal enterprise. And they aren't simply functional specialists in one area, but they often supervise functional specialists. So they may be the chief operating officer with a human resources professional or an IT professional reporting to them. So part of the charge of a magazine like Legal Management is that we need to incorporate all of the areas of the business that they manage so that they are more fully functional and efficient and educated, and so they can take their firm and make it a more profitable enterprise.
Exactly. Okay, that's great. So what articles are you writing about? What are you looking at? What's the recent stuff happening in the magazine here?
Right now, the hottest topics are always related to technology in some way. Even if it's something about finance, it could be about technology that enhances time and billing and how it's done in the firm. Even if it's something related to human resources, it has a technology base behind it. And our members are always looking for products, services, tools, resources to make not only themselves more efficient, but in turn, entire firm operations more efficient. Efficiency is really the hottest underlying topic of all, and technology drives very much that.
Interesting, great. So can you tell us a little bit about technology trends? Just a snapshot of what you see in the market, what you're excited about, and what you're looking forward to happening in the next year or two.
Technology trends are always changing, but what we're seeing a lot involves anything that will make you more productive in ways that are not overly challenging for attorneys who might be reluctant, not overly challenging for them to embrace and utilize. These are things related to time and billing, which is always going to be a hot topic. Things like cloud computing. How are firms using, they don't have to have servers on site, but they can be off site, and how do you handle data security with that? Technologies related to document management, document workflow, the sharing of workflows across the firm, ways to make that more efficient. RFID technology, radio frequency in terms of finding files, great hot topic there. Digital dictation, voice productivity, voice to text, all of those technologies that enable people on the go to be working anywhere they are and to bill that time. Okay. So those are among the hottest topics that we talk about.
Okay.
Now.
Excellent.
And one of the great things about Legal Management being the flagship publication of the Association of Legal Administrators, ALA, is that we tie this all together as we strive to serve as your connection to knowledge, resources, and networking. And through their membership in the organization, they get this exclusive publication and get to be connected to what they need to know and to business partners who can provide the tools for them. And in our organization, business partnerships are so important. We believe in relationship-driven success. It's not about just providing a product or service, but it really being a relationship. And when it comes to technology, it can often seem something that's distant, and that it's not about the relationship, it's about the product or service, or it's about the tool. But if you've got the business partner behind it that enables you to succeed, that partnership makes the principal administrator, the CEO, the COO look like a rock star in the firm when they're able to implement new technologies that make them more efficient.
Okay, great. Thank you again, and you have a good rest of the ALA show.
Thank you very much. Thank you for being here.